Saturday morning. It's sunny here, and I know I shouldn't complain about the weather given what else is happening in the rest of the country, but today is a day of shirt, fleece and puffy. It's blowing a 50-60 mile an hour gale here. I've just found a spot that is sheltered a little bit, but we're at Piru Creek, which is in an area known as the Grapevine, which is on the edge of the Angeles National Forest and the Sespe Wilderness. And last week we were at the bottom end of Piru Creek at Piru, Lake Piru, the reservoir there. And so we've come to the top end, which is about 12 miles further north, just to sort of attack it from the other end. As you will see though, we didn't get very far because the one thing we didn't bank on, we were prepared for the weather, we weren't prepared for the water levels. So in the end, that defeated us. But we will be back. This is one of those places that we want to come back to. But also the fun part is just getting here, because you have to take Temple and Highway, which is an old disused freeway that they closed when they put the reservoir further on up, right through the point that the highway ran. So you drive for 6 or 7 miles on a freeway, highway, interstate. It's absolutely bare. Windy isn't half of it. We're running out of options now. Short and sweet, but definitely one to come back to. So, Piru Creek on the Temple and Highway, the Sespe Wilderness. Until next time, see you later. Hang on a second, not so fast. We decided to leave the mountain, very windy, come down back into the Santa Clarita Valley and head up the Whitney Canyon Falls Trail, because it's a little bit out of the breeze. It's actually 10 degrees warmer. So let's see where this leads to in what is turning into a twofer hike. This creek isn't so full, shall we say, as the last one. Still a nice wooded glade. This would be a waterfall, if there was any water. Oh, there is some. That's all you get today. No. Top of the waterfall with no water. The gorge narrows. At least we're out of the wind. the blaze, blazing the trail. This is going to be fun. We're having a challenge getting up. Imagine what the challenge is going to be coming back. Let's give it a go. Apparently we're at fall number 2 of 6 falls. Ready for another fall? Once again, the beauty of the out and back is you don't see things on the way out and you see them on the way back. So lovely view down this gorge all the way into good old Santa Clara Valley. Wasn't expecting to be having lunch here, but we found a nice little woodland glade, and here we go. Now, Nancy, we had a fan letter this week from a Mr. A. Perry of England, and said, can you tell me please what my sister has put in the sandwiches? What have we got today?
We have cheese, marmite and tomato, sliced pepper jack cheese. We have ham, Trader Joe's owl mustard and French cornichons, just put in there for Daniel. And finally we have finely grated cheese with a mixture of chopped celery and salad cream.
You see, folks watching this, we may get the miles in, but my goodness, we eat well. And I'm still filming, so I can't believe you agreed to that. So cheers, everybody.